In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlinks on LinkedIn posts. If you've ever wanted to share a website, article, portfolio, or any other page in a LinkedIn post, the good news is that it's very simple to do. LinkedIn doesn't usually let you turn random words into custom clickable text the way some other platforms do, but you can absolutely add a link to your post so people can click through to the page you want to share. To get started, go to your LinkedIn feed. This is the main homepage where you normally scroll through updates, posts, and news from your network. Once you're there, look for the post creation area near the top of the feed. Now click on Start a Post. This opens the post editor where you can type your content and prepare everything before publishing. If you're using LinkedIn on a desktop browser, this box will appear as a pop-up window. On other devices, the layout may look slightly different, but the process is essentially the same. Next, paste your link directly into the post. This is the key step. Just copy the URL you want to share and place it into the text box. LinkedIn will usually detect the link automatically, and in many cases, it may generate a preview for the page. If that preview takes a moment to appear, give it a few seconds. Make sure the link is complete and correct before moving on, especially if you're sending people to an important page like a product, article, or sign up form. After that, write your caption and click post. Your caption is the text that gives context to the link. So this is where you explain what the link is, why it matters, or what people should expect when they click it. Keep your wording clear and relevant so your audience immediately understands the purpose of the post. Once everything looks good, select Post to publish it to your LinkedIn feed. A quick tip before you publish: read through your post one more time to make sure the link is correct and the caption is easy to understand. A clean, simple post often performs better than one with too much extra text. Also, if LinkedIn generates a preview, check that it matches the page you intended to share. And that's it. That's how to add hyperlinks on LinkedIn posts. Once you've done it once, the process becomes very quick, and it's a great way to drive attention to content you want your network to see.